$30 on the ground right there. You got another BCA?
No, sadly. I need to hunt one down.
You're gonna have to look for me. I'm gonna be a lost little puppy.
Now let's just say stick together, kinda.
Oh yeah, for sure. Nice bluebird day. Oh wait, it's a nice whitebird day. What do you have to say about it, Wesley? Or nothing? Like a vision. Can't see anything. Riding by Braille, yo. Uh-oh. Man, one sweaty human being. Not a lot of snow? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna go with the little guy. That's so cute. He finally jumped his sled. Oh, grown boy. Well, that's fun.
Yeah.
Oh, here is a wild Wesley taking a pee right on the outback. If we zoom in, we might be able to see it. Oh.
See my small dick out, trying to get out 6 inches of fucking clothing.
Oh, yeah. Not even the space telescope could see that tiny thing.
Your mom can at least.
We're on the infamous tit. There it is. I bet it squirts milk from there. If there's anything I know about tits. There's a Wesley. He's gonna go rescue mission a snow machine. Do it, Wes. You got it. What do you need?
Seeing if we can start it up.
Well, you said the motor was blown. Go on, you gotta put your purse down. That sucks. Well, that was cool.
Yeah.
Can you not get the pin to work?
No, I'm trying to figure out if I added the number right.
Dude, this is pretty fun. Little wind blowing at the top, but you know what? I ain't complaining. It's just you, me, a broken sled, the outdoors, a little bit of snow. What more could I ask for? Leslie, what are you doing?
I'm just making sure everything's set, left or shot.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Dude, quit fucking with that. Right, dude, it's nice and sunny.
Yep.
Let's do this. Did you know there's still more Mecca over there?
Oh yeah.
It's not even wind blown either.
Yeah,
it's wind blown over there.
It goes on.
Dude, I'm in. Also like less than half tank of gas.
At half tank?
Yeah, a little under. I've just been holding it to the bar.
If you see it hit a quarter, we need to turn around.
I hear you, brother. It's been bouncing off the reserve and half tank. It's just doing this.
Okay, we need to be careful with it.
That's a wrap.